Hey guys, today we are going to see about the brand new Xanadu instance. So here I'm going to show you about our interesting cool feature in here. So this is our brand new Xanadu alpha version. This is an alpha version. This is not mm, officially released in the organization, but in the in September, it will the expectation of the release will be in September only. So I just going to show you what is the interesting feature in our Xanadu release. So I'm just going into the service portal. So here we do have various portals are there. I just going into this service portal. So this is our default portal. So if I make this inactive field as true, I can able to see this alternative portal field. So if I select any other uh, service portal home, I can able to select it. So let me select cab workbench and save it. So if I select this one, my if I try to redirect it to the SP service portal page, it will this page we had deactivated. So this page is the alternative portal will be cab workbench. It will be redirected to the cab workbench. Let me show you about the cab workbench. We click the eye icon. You can able to see about the URL prefix. It's getting yeah. So this is the URL prefix. If I try to go into the service portal page, it will automatically change it to URL prefix as a cab. So let me show you. So if I copy this one and paste it in here and slash sp. So I'm trying to going into this service portal page. The URL suffix is sp. So I'm putting the sp. So if I put enter, the service portal we had deactivated as mentioned in the field. So it's going into the cab workbench page portal. So whenever we change SP to any other portal, when we inactivate and make the any other portal as a default, the whenever we try to make the portal as SP, it will be redirecting to the alternative portal. This is our cool feature in Xanadu alpha version. So other feature they have added is JavaScript variable declaration. So if we going into the new business rule, I just make incident state changes like that I'm making this name. So in here, if you going into the advanced tab, you can see this turn on ECMAScript. This means previously we are using where as a declaration, variable declaration. So where c state equal to 0, like that we are declaring. But if we use let, this can able to work. This can also be in work now. In the previous version, the let is not working. So let me declare one variable now. So we can able to declare the variable without any error. If I disable this one, so we are getting the error unexpected token inc change. So if we again if we enable it, the error gets getting removed, and the variable is properly declared. So this is a good news for our modern day developers. So that's how today's video.